I'm back. Yung sinabi ko kasi bakla ako. So dito ko lang nilabas yan ha. Okay, so quiet lang muna tayo. Nakakaloka as in, inano ko sa kanya, in allergic rhinitis ako ng bonggang-bongga dito. As in, nakakaloka tong moment na to. Parang, kaya hindi siya bobo, matalino siya. Yes, hindi excellent. Hindi ko kasi nakita to, hindi ko naman siya napanood. Tapos paglabas niya, what do you say about my look? Tapos sabi ko, yeah, I love it. Cat's Eye yung kanta pero parang Jaho yung sayo, yung suot niya. Boses natin. Dahil masakit na. Kaya pa ako sigaw na sigaw. Nasa viewing party pa rin tayo dito po sa The Intervention. So kung gusto nyo po manood with mga iba't ibang tao, di ba? Ma-feel ang energy ng mga nanonood. Manood na po kayo sa The Intervention next week. Pero hindi tayo magpapatigil sa The Intervention. Manonood pa tayo dito sa Biggest Reacts. Are you ready? So it's the Slation Season, mga misis! Alam mo na to. Pero laban tayo, mag-react tayo kasi it means international queen na tayo. Akalain mo yung patakin mo yun. Ganun. Okay, let's go. Panoorin na natin. Bilang wala tayo masyadong airtime sa trailer, tingnan natin kung meron ba tayong airtime sa episode mismo. Tingnan natin kung gaano tayo kaganda or kung may mas gaganda pa ba sa akin. Ayan na, umpisa na! Paka-Arizona. Napaka-clear si Arizona all the time. Alam mo, hindi siya komedyante. Nakakatakot. Love it. At yung look niya, campy pa rin pero mas fashionable na siya this time compared din sa una niyang entrance look na season 1. It's Yuha Masaki. Oh my god, nung mga season na kasali si Yuha Masaki, lagi ako nanonood ng Drag Race. And then, bago pa ako maging YouTuber, pinapanood ko din lagi yung YouTube ni Yuha. Ang dami ko natutuwan sa fashion sa kanya, kaya I'm expecting a lot sa fashion ni Yuha this time. Kasi ang galing-galing ng kanyang commentary sa Bootleg Opinions. Wala na siyang Hamasaki kasi nakaka-Japanese daw, hindi naman siya Japanese. Wala sa sushi. Ding ding ding! Brigitte Ding is in the house na! Of course, my sister na napaka-gorgeous dito sa kanyang entrance look. This is very Brigitte Ding. Talagang representation ni Brigitte Ding. Kapag sinabi Brigitte Ding, ito yung may isip kong look. Blonde, showgirl, fierce. Yes, wala pang Drag Race nito. Nakapag-perform na siya sa US. Siam Pussy from Drag Race Thailand. Opa. In fairness, mukha siyang fashion queen dito ha. Love it. At least diba tina-try niya. Nakaka-try niya kumalat yung lipstick niya. Sino to? Parang magandang drag queen tong next. I'm back! I-explain ko lang yung look ko. Kaya I'm back kasi nakatalikod ako. Plus, bumalik ako. I'm back. Yung sinabi ko kasi bakla ako. So dito ko lang nilabas yan ha. Okay, so quiet lang muna tayo. Yay! O diba? Parang air freshener lang ang misis natin. Uy, thank you so much pala sa mga nag-repost ng aking manananggal look. Grabe, nung season 1. Ang lala ng mga shares, diba? Iba't ibang lengguwahe. Merong mga ibang lengguwahe. Ang saya sa feeling na masuot ko ulit siya once again. Now with the, alam mo yun, upgraded version. Maganda ako. Tiyag! Alam mo ka.
It's my favorite look from my season, the manananggal. So it's a half human also.
Na-pressure na ako dyan. Half human naman talaga siya. So, anong klase aswang ba siya? The half aswang. Pero si Ivory na nahimatay sa kanyang season pero nandito ngayon sa Pilipinas para magpa-judge sa akin kung totoo nga ba yung himatay niya. May time siya kagad na aga. Pero in fairness naman kay Ivory is one of those queens na kahit mag-drag, she always looks handsome. She's here! She's here! You'll see her in the next vlog. Wait for it! Hindi ko naintindihan kanina. So ngayon tatagalog ako para din niya maintindihan. May sinabi siya sa akin na parang bakit daw sinama sa edit yon na pag matangkad malaki yung paa. Hindi ko din alam. Hindi ko alam kung nagkaintindihan kami. Si Bernie,
I'm the best runway I have. Diyan ako magaling sa runway.
in fairness naman, sobrang galing din talaga umaura ni Bernie. Siya ang the best sa runway talaga. Magaling kasi siya mag-run, dati snatcher kasi yan.
I know she's gonna be like one of the
Kitty Space!
Kitty Space. Bonjour, from Tigers on season 2.
I love Kitty Space as well. From Frankfurt.
Doing
Yeah, Kitty Space is a fashion queen as well. She's a designer and she's from France, so let's expect a lot from her, okay?
okay, China, and London, and France, and then now.
I love Yuha. Yuha, ang daming airtime ha. Yuha. Something mo. Tawang-tawa ako pagpasok nila kasi they're not used to the weather here in the Philippines, and something Wong walked in and she looks like kakatapos niya lang makipag-lip-sync battle. Talagang hulas mama, hulas.
Summer holidays, here I am.
But favorite ko si Madam Yoko. Napaka-shady but smart. I love Madam Yoko. And she can sing! Come on, fashion! Madasuki doll. Eh, o diba? Reference with Angel. Bye. Angel ulit, surprise! Kasi BFF sila. Ang sweet naman niya. Talagang dinadala niya si Angel dito sa season na to. Oh my God, can you imagine? Season 1 ulit, tapos nandun ulit ako. Oh my God! So the first challenge is Hairography Challenge na alam ko na napakagaling ko. And tingnan nyo naman yung DJ, napaka-cute. Adrian Boss Ada in the house, our producer, the intervention. If you want to watch our viewing parties, you can just visit our Facebook or Instagram profiles. It's Venus Deluxe in all the media platforms, or visit Adonis Prod House. Yeah. Alam mo, lokang-loka na kami ditong mga panahon na to kasi madami na nangyari nito bago man kami nakapasok sa aming entrance look. And tingnan mo si Sayam, yung buhok niya, first time ko nakakita ng itinape, nakatumawid sa leeg para kumapit yung wig. Hindi siya halata sa TV pero nagawa niya ng paraan na ilaban niya pa rin. And Arizona never beating the allegations, the campy card. Ayan, tingnan nyo, dahil gumagawa talaga siya ng paraan para mag-place sa kanyang kagalingan ang mga bagay. So kung hindi niya kaya hair flip, ginawa niyang, di ba, tayo ang tinlip niya. I love it. Bernie, napaka-cute din, no, di ba? Of course, Brigading, such a showgirl. Makikita mo dito kung gaano siya kagaling umaura. I love it. Magaling taga umaura si Brigading, tingnan mo. Kay Ana! Hataw na hataw. O, diba? Hairography challenge. Nag-hairography naman siya, in fairness. I love it. Pero binigyan niya pa tayo ng more. And look at Sukida. Ang ganda ng wig, pero alam nating mahal. Pero hindi ka mahal ng wig mo, mama. Ayan, umalis na. Arte ka dyan. Cream silk moment ako. Nakita ko cream silk yung sponsor eh. Bakit hindi ako yung nanalo? Black tapos ang ganda ng pagkaka-flip-flip. Ay, nako. Uy, totoo ha, nahilo ko after noon. Kaya lumuhod na lang ako and nagpanggap na. Kaya ko to.
And Miss Shutakas Nation Edition.
Oh my God, Miss Shotaka. Parehas kaming nag-bomb dito ni Brigadier Season 1. So medyo nakakaba siya for me. And then we're gonna wear national costume and the reveal, which are the two looks that I'm very, very nervous to wear this season. And then first episode pa siya agad. So I'm happy because I'm hoping that there will be other girls that's gonna be wearing worse than my looks. And there will be a question and answer portion as well. That's going to go.
So, I'm gonna challenge my first runner-up sister.
Nakakaloka to. Nakakaloka tong moment na to. Parang, totoo ba si Arizona ang pinili mo? Kaya hindi siya bobo, matalino siya.
So we her. Ooh, she picked Arizona. The Filipino queen.
Nakakaloka yung moment na yun.
May little bit of rivalry there. Ibig sabihin ba nun, hindi excellent yung drag ko? Kasi ayun yung nakukuha kong message. So,
yes, hindi excellent. Charik. Charik lang. I love you, Arizona.
When I landed in Hanoi with my parents, I came out of the gates of the airport. I didn't recognize him.
Alam mo, in fairness, dito sa cast na to, ang dami nilang shared experience with, alam mo yun, dalawa sa kanila ang adopted, si Madam Yoko and si Kitty Space. And then, halos apat yata, kung di ako nagkakamali, si Something Wong and si Suki Doll. Apat sila na queens na parang affected ng Vietnam War, kaya kailangan nilang lumipat ng bansa. So, ganun kalala ang mga pangyayari noon. And itong generation nila, ang mga lumaki sa ibang bansa na hindi nila kultura, iba ang itsura nila, pero yun lang ang kulturang ginalawan nila. Kaya, hearing their stories throughout this season will make you fall in love with them. Guys, support these queens because they have like real good heart. Grabe ang look ni Mama Pao this season.
And welcome to the main stage of Drag Race Philippines Nation Royale. Please welcome the reigning Philippines drag superstar, Maxi.
Yay! Maxi's in the house. I'm so excited for this season talaga kasi look at the judges panel. These are the queens that are real queens. So we will be judged by real queens with the same experience, with the same knowledge about the art of drag, and not just queens but winners. And the front, alam mo yun, nasa dururok ng industriya natin. And ang sarap ma-judge, nakaka-legit. Diba?
Please welcome our candidates for their first runway category.
I love to see Sir John Santos once again in Drag Race. Of course, isa siya sa mga pioneer. Hindi pa man natin alam ang term na drag sa Philippines. Noon pa niya ginagawa ito, di ba? Yung mga ginagawa ng mga drag queens. And tama lang na nandito siya. Also, Jervy Wrightson, di ba? Parehas silang taga-UP actually. And amazing to see them both here.
Yung category ay from Roots to Runway, okay? First off, Suki Doll.
Suki Doll, it's our national costume.
Deliciously syrupy Canada.
Syrupy, oh that's why. Itong look ni Suki Doll ay latex from head to toe. Kaya sobrang init nito, kitang-kita. And mind you ha, nung pinelm namin ito, sobrang init sa Pilipinas. May heat waves. Pero tingnan mo naman ang fresh-freshing sa TV. I love it.
Thank you.
Bernie, oh diba? Diba, very pageant queen si Bernie. I love it. Pasensya na po.
Fortunate enough to represent the United Kingdom and all of its drag iconic global.
Love it, something mo. Arizona. Ang ganda din itong look na Arizona. Bayong ang kanyang peg. Love it! Alam mo, nakakaloka. Hindi ko alam kung prepared si Arizona for this ha. Pero lahat kami biglaan lang to. And talaga nagsulat ako on the spot kung ano yung sasabihin ko. Ewan ko kung on the spot to, pero very well written. I love it.
Ivory Glaze. G'day everyone, my name is Ivory Glaze and I'm representing Drag Right Down Under. I am mind your business, years old, and my life motto is never leave it unsucked. Venus Deluxe.
Oh. O diba, arte ka doon. Napili ko ang look na ito, nurse, ang aking idea because my mother and my sister are both nurses. And tuwing nag-dragcon kami, tuwing nakakapunta ako ng ibang bansa, usually ang mga nami-meet ko ng mga Pinoy ay mga nurse sa ibang bansa. So talagang who run the world, Filipino nurses talaga, diba?
Sian Pussy.
Hello everyone, my name is Sian Pussy from Drag Race Thailand Season 3.
Nakakatuwa naman si Sayam. Talagang ang galing-galing niya umaura.
Brigadine.
Standing in front of
Hey,
you is
Brigadine.
amazing, entertaining, outstanding 33-year-old
Can I have a moment para pumalakpak sa stage ng Drag Race Station Royal? Napakaganda ng stage! Grabe, talagang upgraded, pang international talaga. And yung mga suot ng mga queens, di ba pang international din?
Representing the Pearl of the Orient Seas, Philippines!
So nakakatuwa ito si Madam Yoko, di ba? She's so funny. Sayang lang medyo kulang yung airtime niya dito. Pero pag nakilala niyo siya, she's so witty and fierce and shady. Paulit-ulit ako kasi I'm so amazed on how quick she is.
Kitty Space.
Kitty Space! Representing France, kung saan nagmula ang burlesque. Kaya yung outfit niya is very burlesque.
You are English. Enjoy the night, everyone. Have a lovely day.
Yua is also very funny. She's so animated. Para siyang may battery.
Kiana.
This 40
Pop o Kiana? Alam nyo, backstory lang ha, nakakaloka tong outfit na to ni Kiana. First episode, may dala tong sumpa sa akin. Nakakaloka, as in, inano ko sa kanya, in allergic rhinitis ako ng bonggang-bongga dito. As in, parang almost nasira na yung makeup ko. Siguro mga isang oras akong puro hatching dahil dun sa mga palaspas na dala ni Kiana. Eh, dapat may bakas ako dito eh, sa pagkabanalo niya eh.
Reveal yourself.
Ayan na, reveal na. Suki doll. I love the hair. It's giving Venus Deluxe. Heart and heart and heart. Bernie, ang cute. Very, very fantasy, queenly. From Cinderella to Belle. Belle to Beast. Charing. Charing lang. To a very gorgeous woman. Napaka-campy ni Something Wrong, no? Talagang yung mga reaction niya. Pa-obog. In fairness, dito sa look ni Arizona na to, malinis. May bang siya sa bulbetra. In fairness, maganda din pala tong look ni ano, no? Kasi pag sa backstage, di naman namin, wala na kaming focus sa mga kalaban namin eh. Talagang gusto na lang namin galingan. In our own pace, di ba? Parang gusto na lang namin itodo kung ano yung nadala namin kasi wala na kaming choice. Pero bilang, ngayon ko lang din napapanood kung paano namin na deliver itong mga sinuot namin sa stage. And ang masasabi ko lang, ang pogi pa rin ni Ivory. Oh!
This reveal is not just a reveal of a dress, it's a revelation of...
And for your information, this is my original idea. Pinagsama-sama ang mga... Actually, sa lahat naman ng looks ko, mga pinagsama-sama itong inspiration na pinagtagpi-tagpi to become our own art. Oh, di ba arte ka doon sa blinds? Made by the amazing Debbie Swain. So if you need like amazing outfits na malinis ang pagkakagawa, go message Debbie Swain. Ang aking first look ay made by Malditang Mananahe. Yeah, Maldita lang yung name niya pero hindi po siya Maldita kasi magaling siya. Ito ding look ni Sayan, hindi ko din to masyadong napansin sa personal pero ang ganda-ganda pala pag napanood mo dito. Oh. Ang favorite ko dito sa look niya yung hair niya. Maganda to talaga. Kahit dun sa workroom, inaawitan ko tong hair na to eh. Ito kay Brigadier, nakita ko tong look na to. Amazing to. At mahal ito. Parang kapresyo nitong damit na to ang kalahati ng runway na dala-dala ko sa buong season. Madam Yoko, I love this look as well. Pag ako nagsuot nito, ang lakas ng impact. Kitty Space! This look is also amazing, amazing, ang ganda-ganda. Alam mo, isa din si Kitty Space sa ang galing magdala sa stage. Yua! Ang tawa ko dito kay Yua after the runway niya. Hindi ko kasi nakita ito, hindi ko naman siya napanood. Tapos paglabas niya, fox na siya. Tapos sabi niya, what do you say about my look? Tapos sabi ko, yeah, I love it. Ito si Kiana, naalala ko during this runway, sobrang kabado-kabado siya. Hindi niya alam kung mag-please niya ang mga judges with her look. Kasi parang hindi yata siya nalagay or may naiwan na something na mas magpapaganda pa dito sa look niya. Hindi ko maalala ha. But, tingnan niyo naman, gano'n kagaling magdala tong batang to. Magaling talaga siya. Fairness.
And now let's start the Q&A round with Miss Suki Doll. Your question is...
Alam mo, amaze ako kay Suki Doll on how she answered the question. It's so eloquent. She's so smart. And I felt like I'm listening to my teacher once again. Seryoso siya makipaglaban. Ako, dami niyo pa makikitang wisdom kay Suki Doll during this season.
Hindi mo alam, Maxi, kung ano ibig sabihin nun? Oh my God, nakakaloka ka.
Nung nandito kami sa competition, hindi namin alam kung seryoso ba natin yung tanong. Kasama ba to sa judging or magpapatawa tayo? Tapos biglang nag-push up si Something Wrong. So sabi namin, parang may mali. Something Wrong.
I choose to do so, even though they're not related. Don't worry, this is really what I'm doing to try and do. Yes!
Lahat kami. Di ba nasa likod niya kami? Tapos nakatingin kami, hala, sarap, gloss yung Jet Li niya.
thing before we glitches. And then,
Akala ko seryoso, ano ba yung...
Kung Asian kayo or kung ano kayo, basta ang mahalaga, mahal yung isa't isa, and may puso kayo kita para sa buong mundo, and I thank you.
Love it!
We can stop discrimination in Asians in everyday life if we just think of them as like penguins. Like everybody's like a penguin, they're all the same. Penguins are just like so cute, and they're like intelligent, and I feel really that's all about the penguins. Like penguins are so
Alam
sweet.
mo, in fairness, buti na lang pogi si Ivory.
I want to explain to a parent who has an LGBT child to accept their child because one day they will be proud of their children. Just like me, I used to hide my personality, I used to hide my sexuality, and I used to hide in my mouth. For many people, sometimes they don't understand trans people because they don't know how human beings are. Be here to live and enjoy our life.
Alam niyo si Sayang, very, ano siya, pag nagsalita, may talagang galing sa puso. Love that for her.
We don't care anymore about what people think. We need to care about what we are. We need to deserve to be happy because we are responsible for our life.
Very well said.
It's gonna be one big happy family. It's gonna be a beautiful world that we will all live in. And I thank you.
Faut-il que vous ayez de la chance, j'ai pas pris mon cerveau aujourd'hui, je suis au moins dans le
Je lui
dirais tout simplement qu'il faut regarder dans le détail, il faut apprendre à connaître, que l'inconnu fait peur et qu'il faut apprendre à aller vers les autres, parce que dans la vie, il ne faut jamais rien regretter, il faut aller de l'avant. Merci à vous.
Nakakatawa yung reaction ng mga judges. Ito talaga si Kitty, puro katarantado.
All I know is if you're adult watching, do not do drugs. Unless somebody else is paying for it. Woo!
Ano nangyayari kay Yuwa? Si Yuwa parang, alam mo yun sa mga children's show. Hello guys, ako nga pala. Yung mga very ganon. I know, it's
Moments ago, I was given the disadvantage.
Galit si Arizona. She's so passionate.
I am here. I am the example of just standing up and facing all the challenges. And I thank you. Hey!
May gigil talaga siya.
I have made some decisions. Venus Deluxe. Queens, you are all safe.
Safe tayo. Okay na ako dyan. Mahaba-haba pa ang laban natin. Masaya na akong safe muna for now.
Legalization of same-sex marriage in your country. First Southeast Asian nation to do so.
Ang saya kasi 3 na ang nag-legalize ng same-sex marriage sa Asia and hopefully sumunod na ang Philippines, diba? Kasi napakarami natin bakla. Tapos tingnan mo naman kung gaano kagagaling ang mga drag queens. Tayo pa ang host ng Slation Royale. Tapos dito pa hindi legal ang same-sex marriage. Nakakaloka. Hindi porket sinabi na magpapayagan magkaroon ng same-sex marriage ang mga bading, ang mga tomboy, ay hindi na pwede magpakasal ang mga straight couple. Pwede pa rin kayo, pero sana meron din kami ng same rights na meron kayo, okay? Human rights ito na magmahal at maging legal ang kanilang pagmamahalan, kaya sana mabigyan din ng basic human rights dahil kahit bakla ka, tao ka, diba?
You had one of the best answers in the Q&As. Oh, thank you, thank you. I felt like I was watching Miss Universe. Shoot up. Thank you, thank you.
Totoo, ang ganda ng sagot ni Sayang sa kanyang talagang personal ang kanyang sagot.
To be getting these comments from the judges. Ang sarap pala sa feeling.
Madam Yoko.
Happy for Brigading! Finally, may nakuha na siyang good comment. And sana hindi ito ang last. Comment ka naman ng maganda sa baba. Comment down below ng ang ganda ni Venus ngayon. Nag-glow up talaga siya.
The reveal was kind of underwhelming. I just don't think that the hair is giving. You look unfinished.
Actually, yun nga yung look ni Madam Yoko. I love her look, but I think it will go so much better with a different hair. The hair that she used is a little bit risky, especially if your look is also risky. So dapat nag-safe hair na lang siya. Yun yung idea ko.
I love that headpiece, I love the color. I think the only thing I would change is maybe a little bit more volume and maybe show your legs and maybe a different shoe. Thank you, Jimbo. Thank you, Kitty.
Uy, alam mo, pero super happy ni Kitty na dito sa runway na to because she got good critiques.
We have made some decisions. Kiana, Sayapuse, congratulations, you are the top 2 slations of the week. Something wrong, and Madam Yoko, you are the bottom 2 this week. You will have to decide which of the bottom 2 queens you choose to eliminate if you win the lip sync for your legacy. Here they are!
Yun na nga lang yung airtime ko. Here they are. Hindi pa ako nakita.
I can understand because critiques that we get, you don't always understand why the judges think or say what they say because for you have done your best.
How do you feel, Sam?
Oy, totoo to. That's why, sorry na agad kung meron ba akong na-offend dito sa aking vlog. This is just my opinion. And, ayun, opinion ko lang siya based on kung ano yung kalalakihan ko, ano yung maganda for me, ano yung... Ako lang to, guys. So, wag niyo pong intindihin yung mga comments ko kung kanino ko nagandahan at hindi. Pero, kaya naman, wag din kayo... Comment kayo dyan. Drag queen kayo. Tsare.
The things that I said on stage weren't exactly the things that I had issues with. I did get my point across, but
I'm back now.
just let me have a moment, please.
Sabi ni something mo, can I have my moment, please?
There's something wrong.
We don't know any track records yet.
Actually, isa to sa hardest episode talaga. Parang,
Trying to choose. I think I'm just gonna go with
sino?
like,
Parang kawaw.
like,
Ang hirap kasi lahat kami, we prepared like a lot for this competition. Yung preparations na yun involves money, time, stress, heartbreaks, and to see na may uuwi at hindi man lang nila nagamit yung mga bagay na pinag-prepare nila is also heartbreaking. Talagang dito na nag-uumpisa na the competition is getting real.
and earn the power to get
So
one of
pala.
the we see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nakaka ako dito, sobra. Alam nyo, when I just say this season is like I'm watching Mama Pao in Eat Bulaga. Tuwa ako, parang, oh my God, tagal ko di nakanood ng TV. Tapos nakikita ko siya in person. Tapos talagang joke sa'yo, joke. And I see the effort from looks to everything Mama Pao has made for this Lacian season is ang dami nakakagulat kay Mama Pao dito. So I'm so happy to have witnessed that in person. Hey! Kiana is such a great performer. Tingnan mo, umpisa pa lang, nag-split na. Eh, di ba, usually yun na yung highlight ng mga performances ng iba. Pero siya, pang intro niya lang yung split. Saan niyo pa tayo dadalhin? Babbling agad. Sexy ni ni Sayang. Cats ay yung kanta pero pang Jaho yung sayo, yung suot ni ni Sayang. Oh, belly dancing.
Bollywood siya sa debut, di ba?
Bollywood siya sa debut. Buti naman nabigyan pa ako ng airtime. Thank you. Ay, sexy. Ang galing naman yung umaura. I love it. Ooh. Ay. Tinulak kay... Natawa ako dun sa last post ni Sayo na nakaganon. Tapos, tinulak ni Kiana.
Kiana, congratulations! You're a winner, baby!
Yeah, deserve niya manalo.
And you will also
Do you agree deserve ba ni Kiana? Kayong episode 1. And mind you, Kiana won the Minute Challenge and the Maxi Challenge. The same as the season 3 for the first episode. Kiana won already 80,000 pesos. Plus 20, so 100,000 pesos.
Twice the mini and maxi challenge. So I am so happy, Shane. Which queen have you chosen to get the karate chop? I chose this queen just because I didn't enjoy her performance and the vibe that she's giving on the workroom. And
Award. So, wait lang.
you are for always being an icon, a legend, a superstar. But I'm sorry, but I chose Yoko to go home.
If you have to leave now, then do it with the head looking forward.
As it is written, so it shall be done. Madam Yoko.
I love you, Madam Yoko, so much. Even if your name is Yoko, I want you. I love you so much. I want to see you. Whenever we have a chance, we'll have a chance in the future. Let's hang out. I love your energy. See you soon.
The enigmatic and chic drag queen from Belgium. You will always be a Slasian sensation.
Queens here in Philippines know how to do so. I know that I will keep it as a souvenir and I will bring it back in my luggages also back to Europe and Belgium and Luxembourg where I live.
Gotta get the up in here. Now let the music play. Party, party. Let's reincarnate.
Let's reincarnate. Let's reincarnate. Bakit yun? Scary, charik. Love it!
Next on Drag Race Philippines.
Pagkatapos ng lahat, love it, biglang kita si Mama Jiggly. Mama Jiggly, kung nasaan ka man ngayon, I know you're in a better place. I love you and you inspired us. You inspired lots of Filipino people because you're one of the queens who represented Filipino queens very well in the drag race community, in the drag world. So,
Queens, get ready your K-pop fans.
Ala! Tsura namin!
You guys were absolutely amazing. You started so strong, but a little messy in the end.
You are the reason we change the chorus every time because you kept fucking it up.
I kept fucking up. It's a war.
We're already in the competition now.
Oh my God, girl group challenge na next. Hala, hindi ko alam kung ready na ako sa mga nangyayari ngayon. It's getting real once again. Ito na naman, meron naman tayo pinapanood nag-air. And I'm so happy sa lahat ng mga support, sa supporters, sa mga nagtatag sa akin ng mga videos nila. Thank you so much for all of your support. And makakaasa kayo na may maganda pa ang mga makikita nyo sa mga susunod na episodes. 12 pa ang Queens ngayon, ang konti pa ng air. Ang dami pa namin nag-aagawan sa airtime. So sooner or later, sana magka-airtime din ako. Mag-pray natin. Thank you so much once again. This is Venus Deluxe. Meron pa akong show. Halina kayo sa after party. Sarap pa! Let's go! Comment ka naman dyan. Please subscribe. Love you! Mwah!